What's going on YouTube? It's your boy, it is Andre, and in this video, I'm going to be talking about make $200 a day on Craigslist. All right, so if this is your first time, I want to say an absolute welcome. Welcome to the family. And on this channel, I talk about entrepreneurship, how to make money online, passive income, and how you can work from home and not have to go to work. Even if you work, you can always use this channel to get an extra income. So if you want to get a life of freedom, of course, work your way on up there. I'm not saying drop your job and just start going online, but learn a skill. So that means you can make enough money to replace your job. All right. So if this is your first time, I want to make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit that bell notification. So every time I create a new video, you're going to be the first one to know. All right. And for my regulars, happy to have you here. And for anybody who's fairly new to my channel, I always want to know where you guys are watching my videos from. So in the comments area, just let me know and just type in your country, your city, state, or whatever it is. I want to see how far my videos are reaching people all over the world. So welcome. Make $200 a day on Craigslist. Easy way how you can make some money from home. All right. So I'm going to dive into things right away. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to share my screen so you guys can see exactly how everything works. All right. So let me do this. Bada bing, bada boom. I'm going to go right onto Craigslist right away. All right. So I'm going to hop onto Craigslist. Let me move this right here. I'm just going to make this up a little bit. There we go. All right, so we're on Craigslist. And for those of you who don't know what Craigslist is is a platform where people, put their services, people sell stuff on here. Most people go on here to find a job. Some people sell their car on here, and all different. It's like a huge community where people can just place, either they buy or they sell. Let's put it that way. All right. So you can set up a free account. Absolutely free. And of course, it's in major cities all over the US. Also, as you can see here down here, it started to go worldwide. So I haven't clicked on the worldwide section yet, but let's say per se you guys want to, start to advertise on Craigslist. And here's the thing, right? I'm going to show you guys how you can make $200 a day using this thing. And a lot of people out there are not telling you exactly how you can earn money where you can have a life of freedom, all right? So, of course, here, right, you can change the city, you could change the state. And I do believe, people overseas as well can create a Craigslist account. I do believe so. So you can use this platform, right? And you can use them in different states, different cities for you to advertise. So what you're going to do, right? You guys can come over here and you can find a product that you want to promote. Now, ClickBank is a place where they have multiple different products on here. If you look into let me click into the marketplace, right? So if you look into the marketplace, they have all these type of things, right? And I know there's a lot of people out there that have ClickBank accounts and they don't even know how to promote. Some people don't, especially beginners, they don't really know how to, drive traffic to their affiliate link. So I'm going to share with you guys how you can do this. So if you go through here, and let's say you're someone who wants to go into, and you want to sell, right? You can go into the business, right? Betting system. But for Craigslist, I would definitely go, let's say, you can either go home and gardening, those things are good as well. So if I jump back over here to Craigslist, right, you can look and see what they have available. So if you look into the community, right, this is community, but look into the for sale section. These are things that people are selling, right? So there's antiques, appliances. Appliances. You have arts and crafts, right? Auto parts, right? They got baby stuff. They got beauty and health. So many different things in here that people can. So you see there's computer electronics, right? So if you jump over back to Craigslist, right? So if you look in here, you see there's a computer stuff, right? There's things on here. Look at this keyword researcher, right? It's for $10, and there's some for like $49. There's different prices of listed items. 45. So let's say this one for 45, right? If I click on it, you get 75% of the sale, right? 75%. So 75% of 45, you're looking around 30-ish dollars or 30, I assume. You do the math and everything, right? So if you look at, if you pull that up, right, you can definitely, if someone decided, hey, I would love to get that product, right? Let's say you go to, jump back over to Craigslist. And I'm going to show you guys. So stay with this, stay with me. And I'm going to walk you through everything. So if you look here, right, there's computers, computer parts. So there's people on here that are selling computer parts, right? This right here, not sure. This is probably some affiliate stuff, as you can see, right? Internet security. Some of these things, people are actually using affiliate links on this website. So people can go on here and they could buy different things. Man, look at this. Wow. Compact. Oh my goodness. This is old. Somebody's selling this for $30. All right. So let me not get sidetracked here. So let's go back over here. All right. And let's say we are going with, let's find something else that, all right. So this is minor video guides, cooling machines with mineral oil. Mineral oil? What? The heck is that? All right. Niche website templates. Instant WordPress theme. So let's go with this one, right? So if you look on here and if you click on where it says affiliate page, right? Don't click on the promote yet. We're not there yet. Click on the affiliate page, take a good look at it, right? You'll make over 30 every customer you refer, right? So every customer you refer. So you could join their affiliate program, sign up for it, get everything all set up. They normally provide like email copy swipes. They'll give you like images that you can use. So you can use the images. So I'm trying to find one where it actually, shows all the images ready to go. All right. So there is, all right, there we go. Now we're talking, people. So let's say that, here's the affiliate program. They'll give you all the information, right? Everything that you need. They give you everything. Keyword researcher. This is like YouTube plugin that you can use for YouTube plugin, right? All these different things that you can use. So here are some different tools that they give you, different images. So I would take one of these images, right? And let's jump over to Craigslist. So you go over Craigslist. The first thing you want to do, right? You can click on where it says post, right? Top right hand corner. We click on this. Move it a little bit slow. Seems like it's dial up. I don't know what's going on here. All right, anyways, I think it's like loading. Give me 1 second. Nope. All right. Post, not posting at all. All right, reset. Account. So let's click on account. So I think you could sign up for an account here. All right, but I'm trying to go into the post section. Bear with me, guys. All right, there we go. It's up again. It's live. So in the post section, right, you could pick whatever city. Not because you don't live there, it doesn't mean that you can't choose. So let's go with New Jersey, right? New Jersey, right? It's telling you exactly what you need to do. So for sale by owner, for sale by dealer. I would just click on for sale by owner. What are we trying to sell? Computer parts, right? Here's computers, computer parts, electronics, computers. So boom, click on here, right? In this area, let me go back over to the affiliate section, right? This affiliate, they give you information about this specific product, right? So you can take some of the things off here and you could put words together. So this one is let me see. All right, you can even take this affiliate link. Let me just open this tab right here. Open it, take a look at it, see what it looks like, because you always want to know what it is that you are trying to sell. So if you look on here, this person right here is a YouTube video, right? So you could probably get some of the information here, right? How does website make you money? How does website work? So you could take, look on here. You can even copy some of these things, right? Jump back over to Craigslist, post that in there, right? Get some really good information, call to action, put some persuasiveness in there as well. So people can buy. You put the title, what it is that you're trying to sell. You put the price, of course, right? 49 or whatever, 50 that it was there for. Let's put 45 because that's what it is. Put the specific location, postal code. You can put 0, right? And you can fill this out. Hit continue, manufacturer, all this kind of stuff. So I'm basically giving you the information of you to just walk through. And then you post this, right? Craigslist allow you to post like one post, and I think in a specific area every 48 hours. So don't abuse the system, but you can actually post in different states, right? And give yourself some time to post them all over the place, right? So if it's like health and wellness you want to promote, right? Go back to the marketplace. Go to the marketplace. Go to the marketplace, find these things, health and wellness, or you want to go in employee/jobs, right? Because there is jobs. There's affiliate links here. Look at this. Somebody buys this, get digital marketing career blueprint for like $225. Look at this. Boom. You could, then you're gonna take the link and then you want to put the link in the post as well, right? If you guys are interested, click on this link as well. You can use bit.ly.com to kind of cloak the link. But again, don't overuse it, don't abuse it. And feel free, guys. If you want to take this over to the next level, let people text you and say, yeah, by the way, it's, let them text you, communicate back and forth. Maybe they want to get some more information and all that kind of stuff. So that's why I was saying that, go through the product, read through it, get all the information, get the details, know what it's like, check it out, check out some testimonials as well. And yeah, just start to promote it. So that's all you guys going to make, $200 or more using Craigslist. You can make that per day, using Craigslist. So just go through here and just sift through and see what works for you. I created these videos to help out as many people as possible because I know how it's like when I needed help. I came to YouTube and I started to learn, and then I start buying courses and I invest money into my education so I can come here and teach you guys all this stuff for free. So you probably think like, how do I know all this stuff? I buy courses. Buy courses for thousands of dollars, tens of thousands of dollars just to get the knowledge so I can show you guys all this information for free. So I hope you guys don't take this for granted. And a lot of people watch videos, but they don't take any action. So you're not going to make money if you don't do anything, period. So all these videos that you've been watching, I hope you are implementing what you've learned and go out there and take action, all right? Thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, and make sure you stay tuned for more videos, all right? Have a great day. Talk to you soon. Peace out. One love. Yeah, man.